Welcome to a short analysis on the state of current Indian economy and its near prospects. Traversing through the stormy waves of pandemic in 2020-21, the recovering Indian economy is now breezing through the emerging Omicron variant with the help of several proactive, preventive and mitigating measures taken by government and widespread vaccinations. The real gross domestic product is projected to grow at 9.2% in financial year 2022 as compared to contracting by 7.3% in financial year 2021. The GDP growth for financial year 2023 is again projected at 8.5%. India's growth is supported by supply side reforms and ease of regulations, vigorous export growth, and availability of enough fiscal space to increase the capital spending sharply. The gross tax revenue at this time has registered a growth of over 50% in year-on-year terms. This performance is strong not only over the course of previous year, but also has exceeded when compared to pre-pandemic levels of 2019-20. The gross monthly GST collections have crossed INR 1 lakh crore mark consistently since July 2020-21. Despite of all interference caused by the global pandemic, India's balance of payment remained in surplus throughout the last 2 years. This allowed the Reserve Bank of India to keep accumulating foreign exchange reserves. They in fact stood at US dollars 634 billion on 31st December 2021. At the end of November 2021, India was the fourth largest forex reserve holder in the world after China, Japan and Switzerland. India has huge future prospects. Some of the exciting changes to expect in near future are: expressways will be formulated in 2022-23 to facilitate faster movement of people and goods. The national highway network will be expanded. Defense R&D will be opened up for industry, startups and academia, with 25% of defense R&D budget earmarked. For ease of doing business, Center for Processing Accelerated Corporate Exit with process re-engineering will be established to facilitate and speed up the voluntary winding up of companies from currently required 2 years to less than 6 months. Telecommunication in general and 5G technology in particular can enable growth and offer job opportunities. Accordingly, required spectrum auctions will be conducted in year 2022 to facilitate rollout of 5G mobile services within 2022-23 by private telecom providers. The Special Economic Zones Act will be replaced with a new legislation that will enable the states of India to become partners in development of enterprise and service hubs. To facilitate domestic manufacturing for ambitious goal of 280 gigawatts of installed solar capacity by 2030, an additional allocation of INR 19,500 crores for production-linked incentive for manufacture of high-efficiency modules with priority to full integrated manufacturing units from polysilicon to solar PV modules will be made. World-class foreign universities and institutions will be allowed in the GIFT City to offer courses in financial management, fintech, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, which would be free from domestic regulations to facilitate availability of high-end human resources for financial services and technology. India is planning to introduce central bank digital currency, which will give a boost to digital economy. Digital currency will also lead to a more efficient and cheaper currency management. It is therefore being proposed to introduce digital rupee using blockchain and other technologies, to be issued by Reserve Bank of India starting 2022-23.